If you are working within the aerospace or defense industry, you know that even the tiniest detail can make a major difference. It is of critical importance that every part of your equipment works and does not fail. At IPS-Group, you get products for surface treatment and critical cleaning that follow the latest standards and regulations and are proven to work in even the most challenging conditions. We provide industry-leading solutions among degreasers, cleaners, corrosive inhibitor compounds, paint strippers, disinsection, disinfectants, de-icing, and anti-icing for some of the largest aerospace, defense, and industrial companies in the world. Because they know that quality is not a luxury, it's a necessity. We will be your consultants and assist you to find the most effective chemical solutions, or we will develop one for your specific needs. So if you want to optimize your workflow, enhance your working environment, and improve CSR by reducing waste and chemical consumption, what you need is simple. You need innovative products and services. You need IPS, a progressive partner for your business.